When I talk about University of Baltimore, I think about my experiences at the school. It trained me to be an attorney and learn how to practice law in the Baltimore metropolitan area. It also prepared me to know the law and know how to practice law in our state courts.
Going to law school is a challenging experience, but it's very rewarding. University of Baltimore is such a positive community that you really feel included, not only in the city of Baltimore, but in the legal community as a whole.
Being a law student at the University of Baltimore is a challenging but rewarding experience. The faculty here is very supportive and works hard to make sure that not only you understand the material, but helping you make those networking connections to get jobs.
Night school was really what I wanted to do, and UB gave me that ability. It had the best evening program available.
People are helpful, the administration, the faculty is helpful, students work together. It's not a lot of competition like some other schools have, but it's certainly hard work.
When I came into law school, I had a background in engineering, so in college and undergrad, I didn't really have a lot of experience with writing. I think I maybe wrote one paper in college. Every year, every semester, there's always more opportunities to improve your writing.
The Explore program is a LCDO program that matches 1L students up with summer placements with either judges, masters, or attorneys so that they can gain experience after their first year of law school.
I interned at the law offices of Marika E. Cole in Owings Mills, and it was a great experience. I am interested in business law, and the firm handles a lot of general business matters and nonprofit matters as well. They asked me to come on again as an employee, a part-time paralegal, and continue my work with them. I really appreciate the Explore program because it opened the door to a great relationship and a work experience.
I think starting internships early in law school is an excellent way to prepare for not just the theoretical side of law school, but the practical side. It makes it more human in a way because you're dealing with clients, you're dealing with your colleagues, and it really makes you feel like you're part of a community that's beyond the scope of the law school itself.
Dean Weish and Dean Zabrotny both helped me attain that internship with Senator Booker. I went to DC every day, caught the train, which is right behind the school. While in his office, I worked on the REDEEM Act. It was very helpful, I think, for me, an individual who wants to go into public policy and legislation, to experience being on the Hill.
I also externed at Thompson & Burke LLC. They're a small boutique law firm that specializes in encryption technology. They liked the work I did so much they asked me to stay on in the fall.
This past fall, I externed at the United States Attorney's Office located in Baltimore. During my time there, I actually wrote a brief which was actually filed in the Fourth Circuit. I really learned the skills needed to write this brief in my Introduction to Advocacy class. I learned how to write an excellent brief, how to draft, how to research, and really all those skills came together during that project. And I think it's going to be one of my best writing samples coming out of law school.
My internship with International Rights Advocates in Washington, D.C. has been a really rewarding experience. The firm works on international human rights issues and is committed to helping victims of human rights crimes in foreign countries bring claims in the United States. It's an internship that I won't forget because of the nature of the work that we're doing.
Before I came to school, when I first got my acceptance letter, the Black Law Student Association sent me a congratulatory letter and then invited me to their annual banquet.
I'm very involved here at the University of Baltimore. I am the co-president of Outlaw, the co-president of Family Law Association, and the vice president of the Women's Bar Association.
I think one of my most memorable experiences so far here at the University of Baltimore has been my experience on law review.
One of the best things I did at UB was the Civil Advocacy Clinic.
When I got here, they helped me demystify what law school is, helped me be a better student. I learned how to case brief and how to properly outline as a result, and it set me up for success.
Being involved in different school activities is a great way to establish mentorships and really get the guidance you need from other practicing attorneys.
You really are able to work with fantastic articles written by actual practitioners and judges and really edit those and learn like the proofreading skills and writing skills necessary to be successful as an attorney.
I helped real people as clients. I practiced law as an attorney, and through supervision I was really able to understand what it was like to be a lawyer.
Each of the firms that I worked in brought in many UB alumni. As far as for associates, we always looked at UB as sort of having an edge over some of the other schools. When they leave University of Baltimore, they're really ready to practice law.
I love going to University of Baltimore. I'm very happy here. I think if you want to practice law in the state of Maryland or anywhere around the state of Maryland, I think it's the best school to go to, absolutely.
I really do enjoy my experience here. I feel like the staff and the faculty are invested in the students. They want to see you succeed. The community here is really great, and not just the student community, but the alumni community as well.
They've been very helpful to me in my career. Many of the post-graduation jobs that I've held were due either directly or indirectly to UB alums helping me out, and it's really nice to have that network of talented lawyers and judges there to help their fellow UB grads.
The University of Baltimore School of Law is a very strong community. Everybody is very interested in helping you achieve your goals and help you take a strong footing in the legal community in Baltimore.
The University of Baltimore is a wonderful place for you to come, learn, be nurtured, and to develop the skills necessary to be a successful lawyer.
Come to UB, you'll be academically challenged, which is a great thing, but you'll be part of a community that you will never regret.